Hello, I have glass spoon barbecue. Let's make a taco bowl. So we need some smoked gouda, some tomato, some green peppers, some onions, some flanksteak, Romano salad, and some avocado, and a little bit of basil. Start off by melting about 1 stick or 110 grams of butter in a skillet. Add the meat, cut to strips. I might have had a little bit too much meat here, but it turned out well. And then we need some seasoning, the recipe below. It's salt, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and some cumin, and some ancho chili. It's very simple, but it tastes just like the store-bought one, but no sugar. Really good, no carbs. Then season the meat with that and let that fry just like you would any taco. Just let it all blend in there. And once you've turned everything over and the meat is browned and cooked through, it's time to add the vegetables to this, the julienne, paprika and onions, and just let them soften. Then it's time to build this. So we've got everything chopped up and the cheese is grated. So you can actually add whatever you want, but I'm using the salad, tomato and some avocado, all cut to munchable pieces. Then we're gonna add a little bit of the meat and peppers and onions. Also to your liking, you could add a dollop of sour cream to this if you want, but I'm not so inclined, so I didn't. A little bit of smoked cheese and a couple of blades of basil to top it off.
There we go, a low carb taco bowl on a plate. Let's try it. That taco seasoning was just like taco seasoning. This is really good. I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.